The Ninja K6-2012 Foodi NeverDull Premium 12-piece knife set is designed for durability, precision, and ease of use. Made from high-quality German stainless steel, these knives offer rust resistance and long-lasting sharpness, with each blade rigorously tested to withstand over 400,000 cuts. The set includes an innovative knife block with built-in NeverDull sharpening technology, ensuring your knives maintain a razor-sharp edge for over 10 years. With an ergonomic, non-slip grip and sleek modern design, this knife system provides an exceptional cutting experience while seamlessly fitting into any kitchen decor. Users love the Ninja K6-2012 knife set for its sharpness and durability. The German stainless steel construction ensures that the knives are strong, rust-resistant, and perfect for all kitchen tasks, from slicing to dicing. The standout feature is the built-in NeverDull sharpening system, which keeps the blades in peak condition with just a swipe of the sharpening lever, eliminating the frustration of dull knives. The slip-resistant handle is highly praised for offering a comfortable and secure grip, making food prep safer and more efficient. The knives are also easy to maintain, with minimal cleaning required thanks to the stainless steel. While the Ninja K6-2012 knife set is generally well received, some users noted that the knives could feel slightly heavy for those who prefer lighter blades. Additionally, the sharpening mechanism, while effective, requires manual operation, which might not appeal to users looking for a fully automated process. A few customers also mentioned that while the set includes 4 steak knives, additional steak knives may be necessary for larger families or entertaining guests. Lastly, while the knife block has a modern look, it might take up more counter space than expected in smaller kitchens. The Ninja K6-2012 Foodi NeverDull Premium 12-piece knife set is an excellent choice for home chefs looking for sharp, durable knives with the convenience of an integrated sharpening system. The German stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, and the NeverDull technology makes maintaining a razor-sharp edge effortless. While the knives may feel slightly heavy for some users, the set's precision, ease of use, and stylish design make it a standout option for any kitchen. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.